Hello students, the question is that A vector equals I cap plus twice of j cap minus 3 k cap and B vector equals twice I cap minus 3 j cap plus 5 k cap. If R vector cross A vector equals B vector cross R vector and R vector dot alpha I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap equals 3 and R vector dot 2 I cap plus 5 j cap minus alpha k cap equals minus 1, where alpha is belonging to the real number, then the value of alpha plus mod of R vector square is equals to. So we'll start this question from this equation. It is given that R vector cross A vector, I am shifting this to the other side, minus B vector cross R vector equals 0. If I change the order of this, it will become R vector cross A vector plus R vector cross B vector equals 0. R vector cross A vector plus B vector equals 0, or you can say R vector is product of any two vectors is 0, cross product, that means those two are parallel vectors. That means, and if two vectors are parallel vectors, that means they are multiple of each other. So R vector is now a multiple of A vector plus B vector. That means R vector multiple of A vector plus B vector, lambda times A vector plus B vector, that will be 3I cap minus j cap plus twice k cap, right? So R vector will be this. This we have our equation number 1. Again, R vector dot product of R vector with this vector is given as 3 using this. R vector dot, this is alpha I cap plus twice j cap plus k cap equals 3. So R vector is this is lambda times 3I cap minus j cap plus twice k cap, dot product of this with alpha I cap plus twice j cap plus k cap equals 3. Multiplying this is lambda times 3 alpha minus 2 plus 2 equals 3. That is lambda multiply alpha equals 1. This is our equation number 2, a relation between lambda and alpha. Question number 2. Now, also we have one more relation, that is R vector dot product with another vector is minus 1. So we have R vector dot product with 2I cap plus 5j cap minus alpha k cap equals minus 1. R vector is lambda times 3I cap minus j cap plus twice k cap, dot product with 2I cap plus 5j cap minus alpha k cap, that is equals to 1. Again multiplying, this is 6 minus 5 minus twice of alpha is equals to 1. 1 minus 2 alpha equals 1, that is lambda minus twice lambda alpha equals 1. Right. Something is wrong. I have written 2I cap plus 5j cap minus alpha k cap equals minus 1. There. It is minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So this is lambda minus 2 equals minus 1. From there I have got the value of lambda. If lambda equals 1, putting the value of lambda there, I'll get the value of alpha as 1. And R vector will be, now if lambda is 1, this is the R vector which is equal to A vector plus B vector, 3I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap. Magnitude of R vector square of that will be 9 plus 1 plus 4, that is 14. So question is alpha plus square of magnitude of R vector alpha plus square of magnitude of r vector, that is 1 plus 14, 15. So third option is the correct option of this particular problem. Understood? Thank you.